First reading. My word shall accomplish that which I purpose. A reading from the prophet Isaiah. Thus says the Lord, as the rain and the snow come down from heaven and do not return there, but water the earth, making it bring forth and sprout, giving seed to the sower and bread to the eater, so shall my word be that goes out from my mouth. It shall not return to me empty, but it shall accomplish that which I purpose, and shall succeed in the thing for which I sent it. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.